Most people don't need a new life. They just need new eyes, a shifted mindset, and the right lessons at the right time. This is not just a list of quotes. This is wisdom you carry into your battles. These are the 50 life lessons that can fix 99% of your problems if you let them. 1. Your mind is your master. Train it every single day. 2. Don't believe everything you think, especially the thoughts that scare you. 3. You attract what you tolerate. 4. What you allow continues. 5. You don't need to react to everything. Some things deserve your silence. 6. Emotional intelligence is real power. Control how you feel before it controls you. 7. Growth starts when comfort ends. Your thoughts can be either chains or wings. Choose wisely. 8. Discipline beats motivation. Every time. 9. The way you spend your mornings creates your future. 10. You don't need more time, you need more focus. 11. What you do consistently matters more than what you do occasionally. 12. Stop waiting to feel ready, just start. 13. The best version of you is built in the moments no one claps for. 14. Energy doesn't lie. If it feels off, it is. 15. Stop trying to fix people who don't want to grow. 16. Not everyone is meant to stay. Let them go. 17. Set boundaries. It teaches people how to treat you. 18. Sometimes the most loving thing you can say is no. Your peace matters more than their approval. 19. Stop chasing validation. Chase value. 20. Success is boring. It's the same daily disciplines over and over. 21. If you don't build your dream, someone will hire you to build theirs. 22. Money doesn't change people. It reveals them. 23. The real flex is peace, not possessions. 24. Your future is built one focused hour at a time. 25. You don't need to be perfect to be powerful. 26. Healing doesn't always look pretty, but it's necessary. 27. Who you are when no one's watching, that's who you really are. 28. Forgive yourself for how you survived. 29. Outgrowing people isn't selfish. It's self-respect. 30. Confidence is quiet. Insecurity is loud. 31. Protect your peace at all costs. 32. Comfort zones kill dreams. 33. It's okay to rest. Rest is productive. 34. You are not your past. 35. Stop comparing. You're not late. You're on your path. 36. Be proud of how far you've come. 37. Some things don't work out because you would have settled. 38. Slow down. Alignment is better than speed. 39. What's meant for you won't require chasing. 40. Start now. Perfection is a myth. 41. You teach people how to treat you. 42. When you stop trying to prove, you start to grow. 43. You don't have to earn love. Just be you. 44. Your peace is your power. 45. Get comfortable being misunderstood. 46. You don't need closure. You need peace. 47. Nothing changes if you don't. 48. Time doesn't heal. Acceptance does. 49. Sometimes the lesson is, you deserve better. 50. Upgrade your thoughts, and you'll upgrade your life. You don't have to fix everything today. You just have to begin. Start with one thought, one habit, one truth, and soon the version of you you've been chasing will become the version you are.